time they were 21-year-old boys, right? And so that spirit we had never seen. My first reaction was surprise, because you're right. Like, I've also grown up watching those films, so I also had a certain image of the legendary figure in my head. You know, there are certain images that were lodged in my brain. So I was also surprised that somebody would cast me. Like, somebody had asked me a couple of months before I got cast that, you know, one day you will be Bhagat Singh in a mainstream film. I would have been like, oh, maybe not. But that is what I think impressed me the most, because eventually, in the beginning I was like, maybe they'll just throw me out in a couple of meetings and realize, okay, this is not the guy we're looking for. But that didn't happen. In fact, what I saw when I met Ronnie sir and Shujita was a lot of conviction. They had more conviction in me than I had in the beginning. And that's very encouraging for an actor. Because in the beginning you have some self-doubts about what are they seeing in me, how are they imagining me in this character. But as and when we started to have meetings, we started to have the discussions, I got a sense of the vision that Shujit sir had with the film and this character, and the vibe that he wanted to capture, the humanity of these boys that he wanted to show. That gives you a sense of, okay, he's looking at it very differently. And he also point blank said, you forget everything you've seen, forget about all the films you've seen and other people's interpretations of the character, because what we are going to do is interpret it ourselves. For there is a lot of text available, I mean, not as much as you would want. There are not, I think, a couple of pictures of him that are available publicly. There are some letters that he wrote from prison, letters that were written to him while he was in prison, or the articles that he used to write under different pseudonyms. So that was the material I started to go through. And I also started to then align with their vision, because I realized, okay, they were well-read, they were passionate, they had great ideas about the world and the country, and they wanted to do great things. But also at the same time, they were 21-year-old boys. Right? And so that spirit we had never seen. That spirit is not possible to capture in one paragraph in a history book or two paragraphs in a history book. You can only talk about the major events. Okay, Parliament mein bomb phoda. Okay, you know, hanging hua, martyr hue. So those are the facts. But to see the human beings beyond those facts was, I think, I slowly started to learn, was the attempt, at least with the role specifically of Bhagat Singh in this film, that we wanted to capture the humanity, the boyishness, the day-to-day laughters and fun and stress and everything that comes with being a human being or being a young person. In fact, that's a very interesting thing, because there's not a single time in the film where Bhagat Singh says Inqilab Zindabad. And when I was shooting for Sardar Udham, I went back to another set, and all the other ADs on the other set were like, hey, Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad. And I told them, you know, I've just come from the shoot, I didn't say it a single time. And they were surprised, because you just associate these highlights with these characters, but I mean, the highlights is not the complete person. So I think the idea was to go more into the humanity of these people, which also now I realize makes more sense, because what happens is we make supernatural figures out of them in our heads, and we put their pictures on the walls and worship them, which is good. But what that does is it alienates them from us. You know, we start to feel that there were some special people who did special things at that special time. But they were ordinary people. They were of the same bones and flesh as we are. The difference was that they stood by their convictions, that they went beyond their daily struggles and selfishness and greed and everything, and aspired to greater values for society. And that's what's inspiring, and that's what inspires all of us, if we can believe that even we can do that, if we are able to, you know, have that conviction and see through it till death in their case.